Ooh, there we go. There it is. I might eat those, actually. Well, the rest of this is ready. Because we gotta spruce this up. Ooh. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with those carrots. Let's see. Just a little. Yep. Everything else, there's enough salt already. So, electrolyte content complete. Oof. Give it about a few more minutes, just like this, before I turn it on low and put a cover over it. Then I'm gonna munch. Right now that's on low heat. This is gonna stew for a bit. Oh, it smells divine. I'm gonna have some bacon now. What am I gonna do about those carrots, though? I need to spruce that up somehow. I could leave it bland to like balance the other bursts of flavor, but like, decisions. It's empty. Combining the rice and the stewed broccoli seems to have combined it to a nice sizable portion. And then it's the fact that it's coupled with seasoned bacon grease, because I made seasoned bacon. I'm so tempted to open it. Ooh, it would not hurt to peek. Oh, yes. There it is. Oh, divine. What the am I gonna do about those carrots? Mashallah. Turning it up to 7. It's gonna cook fast, so I have to get a good even sear on this whole thing before I drag it off. Okay. I'm actually kind of proud of myself. Let's see how fast it goes. I'm gonna need a container. I have no clue what I'm gonna do. We'll see. Honestly. There it is. Come on. Oh, yes. Ah, you sound sexy. Anyways. God, you're divine. Nope, that's good enough signal. Yes. Whew. Oh my gracious, yes, puppy. We know you are angry, yes. Oh yeah. Okay. God's grease burns are no fun. Okay. Oh, that smells weird. And that's fresh off the stove, so I can't get at it yet. But what I am going to do, I think, to spread the steamed carrots around in the stir fry should take care of most of my concerns. Because when the steam leaves it, it will absorb the flavor from everything else, and thus a more balanced palate. God, I feel like I'm on Food Network. Not mushier than I expected. Well, these are Meals on Wheels meals. So I'll only put a few in here. There we go. That helps with the geometry. All the shapes are in the food. I need them to be a bit more aligned.